Hi, and welcome back to my channel, where today we will be unboxing the Beauty Bakerie mystery box. It was $48, and we will see how much product we get. Hi, hello, how are you? If you are new here, welcome. I am Jennifer, and this is my husband, Aaron. And my channel, we do unboxings, and we do general makeup stuff. It's usually just me. Aaron's usually here on Sundays with me, and we have a lot of fun. And according to my name, yes, I am agoraphobic, so sometimes I do talk about agoraphobic material. If you're interested in one or both of those topics, then hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell.
Ding.
And set it to all, because I am here for you 5 to 7 days a week. And I would really like to have you.
I'm a slacker. I'm only here for you occasionally. I'm sorry.
And we would love to have you as part of our small and growing family. And if you're interested in today's topic, or today's unboxing, then stay tuned, because we are getting right into it. Okay, like I said, I've got I keep wanting to say Juvia's Place, but it's not Juvia's Place. It's the Beauty Bakerie mystery box. It was $48. I got mine late, so there are no more available. We have
This is the very last one.
We have the site up right here, and I don't see them available anymore. But this is what she looks like on the inside. And it says, what does that say? Carlos?
Candy? Card? I don't know.
I don't know, but it says, who's counting?
Who's counting? If you know what this says, comment in the thing below.
Well, it looks like it says Carlos. And we have these little pink things that I hate so much.
Cavloy.
And this is
carbs.
Carbs. Who's counting?
I solved the mystery.
And the first thing I'm pulling out
for a reason.
is the Beauty Bakerie blending eggs.
Eggs don't come from a bakery.
Look up
what is this?
Look up what the blending eggs are, Ellen.
Blending eggs. Blending eggs. Search results coming in. 32 results.
Okay, so there's 6 little beauty blenders, makeup blenders in it. And that's kind of cute. I don't personally use beauty blenders, but this would make a cute addition to a giveaway or something like that. I already took it out of its plastic wrapping, but the beauty blenders, or whatever you call them, makeup blenders, are individually wrapped.
This is not working on my phone very well, or at all.
I don't know the value of them, so
I'm guessing it's about like $3 per egg.
So we have those.
Mélange des oufs. Oofs.
And looking further into the box, we have
Queen of Tarts.
Queen of Tarts.
Queen of Tarts.
Which I'm assuming is a face palette. No, it's It is a
Colors of some sort.
no blush palette.
Ah.
A blush palette, and that is very pretty. We're not going to be able to give you the retail value.
We're sorry. It's all my fault. My phone's so old. Are you feeling tarty?
Oh, and we're seeing this again, the Breakfast in Bed palette.
Ah.
I'll open this and show you this. This will definitely go into a giveaway.
Because we both have it already. That's the one that I'm wearing today.
Put this back in this bag, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Erin is wearing it on the dive turn. And this is what she looks like.
Wow, so fabulous.
We've got colors like yawning, forehead kisses, pajamas, French doors, boo and a view, messy hair, French face, cuddle cakes, and lazy baby. It's a very good
I
palette.
think I used the cuddle cakes. Am I your cuddle cakes?
Stop it.
You know I am. I should have used Lazy Baby, though. I mean, that seems like that would be appropriate.
What else do we have in here? Oh, we've got the Beauty Bakerie Sugar Sticks lip liner
Oh my god, it's so sparkly.
in the color Swedish.
Sweetish.
Almost looks like the color Sweet Fish.
That would be the beauty seafood place. Beauty fish market.
Can you open that? Is it taped down?
Yeah, a little bit. Mission completion.
This looks like a little sugar stick. I've seen these before. This here, oh, isn't that pretty?
Fancy.
And this is the color right here. I won't swatch it, but it's a nice dark reddy color.
Okay.
Can you put that back in its box?
Oof. Do you want to take a ride on my sugar stick?
What else do we have? Can you put it back in its box, please?
Okay. I suppose.
Okay, I have this. It is the Better Not Butter flour. It is their face powder, their setting powder in oat or translucent. And I won't open it because I'll probably be giving this away in a giveaway. But it is the translucent powder. It's pretty good. It's kind of heavy, but it's it's like in a flour bag.
Is it gluten-free?
I don't know.
Who can say, really? Is it GMO friendly?
It's all in French on the back.
You never know what those French people are going to be up to, you know. I mean, I don't want to say anything bad about the French, but, you know. They're French.
And the last thing we have is something called
Pie.
the Cake Pop
Cake pop.
in the color Desserts First.
Oh my god. I love that. That's it.
It looks like that. Oh, and it's a little tiny lipstick.
Ooh. Very nice.
It's called a Cake Pop.
Well, yeah, because, you see. It pops. Pops are very nice. That's a nice color.
Yeah, did you see the color? It's a very dark color. So, and that is in the color Desserts First. So, let me look and see if there's anything else in here underneath all this pink stuff.
The pink stuff is like its own gift, you know. Sitting around, you think, I need some pink stuff. There you go.
So,
you're covered.
What do we got? We have the breakfast in bed.
The heart waffles. I've got my days where I just like to simply be comfy glam. I'm sure anyone can agree. Well, join me for breakfast in bed with these super pigmented shades that only enhance our natural beauty. Yeah, I call that comfy glam. Shall we?
Comfy glam. We have this eyeshadow palette. We have this blush palette.
Does it make you feel tarty?
Queen of Tarts.
Tarts.
We have this translucent cake powder or setting powder.
With that and the eggs, you could make a beauty cookie.
We have these makeup blenders, 6 of them, no doubt. Notice. We have this sugar stick and the shade Swedish. Is that the best you could do? And this mini lipstick, Cake Pop, in the shade Desserts First.
I like that.
So, tell me, what did you think about this box? Do you think it was worth $48?
Do you think it was worth $48?
I think so. Because I know vaguely what the prices are that they charge. I know that that eyeshadow palette was like $38. So, given that, I know their stuff's pretty expensive.
That sugar stick is probably at least $70. Because of the pure sugar.
So, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this box. You might be seeing some of it in some giveaways.
What do I get? I want some of that.
What do you want?
I don't know. It's a toss-up between that little lipstick and the sugar stick.
You want a lip liner?
Maybe.
Okay. Well, you'll be seeing some of it in giveaways. And no doubt. And like I said, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the box. And let me know what you like and what you didn't like out of the box.
You can also leave me a comment. Yeah.
Leave Aaron a comment.
Well,
he's very lonely.
That's right. Aw.
And give this video a thumbs up, please, if you liked it. And
which thumb? You're confusing them.
Both thumbs.
Oh.
Give it 2 thumbs up.
Okay.
And that's it. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day today.
A fabulous day.
And if you are not, we tried to perk up your day. Hopefully you'll watch this video all the way through. We appreciate you if you did. And if
you didn't watch it all the way through, how are you listening to this now?
And if you're not having a great day, we do hope something comes along and picks up your day so that you can enjoy your holiday weekend or your week whenever you are watching this. And that if you are having an especially hard time, we are sending you the good vibes.
Like this.
And just remember to stay strong and stay safe and stay healthy. And
Stay in school, if you're in school. Otherwise, you don't have to. Am I a little much today? I'm a bit much sometimes.
Okay. I will see you in a video tomorrow if you want to watch it. And have a great Labor Day weekend. And if you're watching this in the future, just have a great day in general. And just stay well until I see you again. Okay. All right. Goodbye.
Bye.